Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. Let's see here. The Dow was up today. Dow was up 172 points up for the day. Nasdaq was down. S&P was slightly down. Russell was down, and Bitcoin was down, trading currently at 61,000 and change. Just remember that resistance, right? If Bitcoin needs to move higher, has to get above 64,000. Okay, so it's losing steam, right? If we close the week down below 61,000, that's a concern. If we continue to close down below that 64,000 on a weekly basis, then we could see sellers really come in and push Bitcoin lower. All right. All right. Let's take a look at the dollar index. We did have a bit of a pullback, a little pullback in the dollar index. We'll take a look at the dollar pairs. Hey, Tylac, welcome, Tylac, welcome. All right, welcome, bud. All right, let's do this here on the dollar index. All right, since we're moving higher again, and hopefully we could break through that resistance, finally break through. All right. So here was the pullback, these white candles here. White candles. Hold on. All right, and we've got buyers coming in. All right, so last couple of days, right? Yesterday and today, we've got buyers coming back in. You guys can see the green candles here. All right, and again, I always talk about this. This is a very bullish sign when we have green candles come back right after these white candles here. And here we've got really good resistance here and here. So hopefully this time we can break through that resistance. All right. So that's what's going on with the dollar index. We do have a long trade. We call a long trade on the US 30 right here for our US monster US 30 traders. All right. This previous buy signal here, we waited on this. All right. But here, new buy signal right here on the 60-minute. All right. On the 60-minute time frame. And what we've got on the daily time frame, all right, that's our foundational time frame. We have buyers coming in there, all right, and did a nice big move today. But green candles are coming in. So the goal is to test that resistance, hopefully break through that resistance. All right, all right. Let's take a look at the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell, and the VIX. All right, and the VIX. The sell short signal, right? On the Dow, we now have a that buy to cover that closed. All right, closed the sell short signal. All right, that's good for the longs. All right, we could see a buy signal come in soon on a break of resistance here. So right about in somewhere in here, we could see a buy signal come in on the Dow. Crazy, right? All-time highs, guys, is right up here. We're not that far from all-time highs. All right, right about here. Okay. So that sell short signal closed on the Dow. On the NASDAQ, it's still open, but we do have green candles coming in, but that sell short signal is still open there. All right, but green candles are coming in. Still open on the S&P. All right, but those should change. They should close soon. Unless sellers come back in heavy, come on back down. All right, but green candles, that sell short signal should close. Surprised it hasn't closed yet, like the Dow. All right, same with the Russell. All right, you guys can see that there. Same with the Russell. Okay. All right, but no buy signals, and we're not, we're not moving these time frames to the 240. We're going to leave it on that daily because, like I said, sellers could come back in All right, so we don't have any buy signals yet for stocks and these indexes. The VIX is, look at that. That VIX is really moving. Let's move that uh, line down here. So we've got support right at 1241. Look at that red candles coming in. That's very bullish, guys. 13 looks like it could break that 13, get below, get in that 12 range. That's low volatility, bullish for equities. All right, really, really bullish for equities. Um, I've been doing some work on a new system. I'll let you guys know when we're ready to launch it. We're going to incorporate for equities, all right, some fundamentals. All right, so we'll do technical analysis and fundamentals. I feel good about that system. We're gonna pair it up with stock boss, but no heat seeker. All right, we're actually going to get that data. So we'll talk about it down the road, but I think it's going to be a great system when we can incorporate fundamental analysis along with technical analysis. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Let's go through current positions in Monster Scalper. This evening, we'll start with some trades that we sent out. All right, on the 60-minute. Now, we haven't done this in a while, right? We usually, from time to time, we'll bring out the 60-minute, right, when the market consolidates. And Forex been tough. It's been tough lately. So we've sent out some alerts, yen pairs, right? Yen pairs to get in some of the yen pairs 60-minute time frame, and then also the dollar. All right, so let's go through these, see how they're performing. All right, just trying to get you guys some opportunities. Okay, I know it's been a difficult market, especially on the 240. Nothing seems to hold on the 240. Okay, so let's take a look at the dollar pair so far. So USD DKK. All right, buy signal here that closed today here. So if anyone took that trade, close the trade. USD DKK. All right. If the dollar continues to move higher, the dollar index, we might get another buy signal. Okay. So we'll remove it here, but stay close to those dollar pairs. All right. USD CAD, dollar CAD, buy signal here. All right. Broke support to close the trade. It did reach its resistance here, but came on back down. All right. Red candle here. Sell signal, close the trade, please. Dollar CAD. Okay. All right. Dollar Swiss, buy signal here. All right. That closed, consolidating right now. Close the trade. Dollar Swiss. Again, we could see these dollar pairs pick up steam again. USD HKD, buy signal here. Closed here. Red candle, close the trade, please. Okay. All right, USD HKD. USD SEK is still holding, right? Buy signal here, moving up slowly here. Purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on that. But we've got green candles. Hopefully, we could get at a minimum to this resistance here. Okay. USD SEK. All right. USD CNH. That's still holding. Buy signal here. All right. We need that to move higher. This purple support and resistance, that's a concern. Okay. USD NOK closed. Buy signal here, closed here. Red candles. All right. Sell signal, close it. USD NOK. All right. But again, keep an eye on these dollar pairs, guys. The dollar index right here. I mean, look at that here. All right. So if it continues to move higher, we'll get a second round of buy signals. Okay. Remember, it's on the 60-minute time frame, so it's quicker. Okay. The yen pairs also. Yen pairs. Swiss yen, buy signal here. All right. That's holding right here. Good trade going here. We're hoping that some of these will turn into buy signals on the 240. And New Zealand yen actually did that today. All right, we'll take a look at that. So Swiss yen, that's holding firm here, looking to break through that resistance. And we've got decent resistance here that could break through. All right. NZD JPY, buy signal here. Look at that. All right. On the 60-minute, great trade going here, looking to break through that resistance. And we did get a buy signal on New Zealand yen. All right. HKD JPY, buy signal here, moving up nicely in the markup phase. Resistance is here. HKD, JPY, good trade going here. SGD, JPY, all these trades look very similar, right? Buy signal here, moving up nicely, all green candles. So if you're in it, just hold on. Good trade going here. That's for about 100 pips or so. All right, not a bad trade. We're just trying to find some opportunities, guys. All right. Dollar USD JPY, buy signal here. That's moving up nicely. Target is here. CAD, we said CAD. Dollar CAD, CAD yen, buy signal here. Moving up nicely. Target here. These yen trades are turning out really nice. Pound yen, guys. Pound yen, buy signal here. Right, looks good here. Looking to break through resistance right here. All right, you guys know pound yen will move. Right, volatile, but it will move. Resistance is right here. Euro yen. All right, buy signal here. Look at that, guys. And this is really good for the 60-minute time frame. All right, that buy signal came in what? On the 6th. All right, 5-6. Look at that. No white candles, guys. All right, so not a bad trade here. All right, so yen pairs doing really well. Again, pay attention to the dollar pairs if they give additional buy signals. Okay. All right, monster scalper on our regular 240-minute time frame trading window. Aussie dollar, that close, we were looking for Aussie dollar to break through that resistance. Big picture, things were really setting up even on the monthly, weekly, and daily, but they're not quite ready yet. All right, and the dollar index looks like it wants to move higher. This is the inverse, so a lot of resistance here. Sellers are sitting right here. Right, brought that price back down. Red candle, sell signal. So Aussie dollar, close it for now. All right, but keep an eye on it down the road. Right, they can always come back in and test that resistance again, and we'll be here to watch it. Okay, keep an eye on it. Aussie Swiss also closed, failed to break resistance here. All right, so right, get out of that trade if you're in it. Red candle, sell signal. Sellers could come in like this, guys. All right, so I know sometimes we want to wait, right? We don't want to do that. So Aussie Swiss, close the trade, please. New Zealand CAD, buy signal here, holding firm. This is very encouraging here. It's holding, see, higher lows, and it's holding right at that resistance. That's a good sign. Good sign here that price action wants to break, move higher. Right, good price, higher lows, right, holding that resistance. Next target all the way up here. New Zealand CAD. New Zealand dollar should be weak. Oh, it's holding. New Zealand dollar is holding. All right, so something must be going on with the Kiwi pairs. So buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, green candles coming in. So hopefully test that resistance again there. And New Zealand yen, we got a buy signal just today, guys. All right, on New Zealand yen. So something might be going on with the Kiwi pairs. All right, might be going on. All right, so New Zealand CAD, New Zealand dollar, and New Zealand yen. So those are the only pairs currently in Monster Scalper on the 240. Okay, we do have a short in Monster Scalper. Take a quick look at that. And we'll continue for now. Look for opportunities, guys, on the 60-minute. All right. We won't do it across the board, but just the major pairs, okay, for now. Eurozar short. Let's see if it's still holding. All right, so it closed. All right, not a bad trade. All right, so Eurozar sell short signal was here. Here was that support, a lot of support here. So they came in today. All right, big white candle, green candle, sell signal right here, buy to cover. So sell short signal here, buy to cover here. So Eurozar, that's it for that trade. Okay, that's done there. Not a bad trade. And it's been trading well. Look at Eurozar. Look here, guys. All right, 3 decent trades. Short. So short here, buy to cover here. So short here, buy to cover here. So short here, buy to cover here. So not bad. 3 decent trades by the system there. Okay. All right. Stock boss. Let's see what we've got. All right, CRK, buy signal here, still holding, guys. All right, target all the way up here. Buy signal was right at 894. Trading closely at 1013. All right, so that's holding firm. All right, ORGN. Look at ORGN. All right, Anthony's trade here. Buy signal right here at what's that? 68 cents. Trading at $1.21. Look at that. All right, so that's 100% profit right there. Good trade going. Target all the way up here, $4 and change. Okay, ORGN. And that's basic material there. We have a new one here, OTLY. OTLY. What's that? Consumer staples. Buy signal here. Retraced a bit, guys, but it's trying to hold. Keep an eye on this one. This is where it failed before. That's not good that it's back below previous resistance here. All right, so keep that in mind. It did close near the high of the candle right up here and not down here. So that's encouraging. So hopefully it will break through in the morning. All right, OTLY. TAC made a nice move today. Good markdown phase. Look at this. Like nice selling. We need that. Buy signal here. Nice big candle. Buy signal was at $7. Trade close today, $7.32. All right. Good trade going here. Good markdown phase. Hopefully it could get to its target there. TAC. All right. VT and R still holding right here. Right. We had an up day yesterday, green candle, white candle today, but we've got higher lows. Look here. Higher lows. All right, higher lows. So it is moving higher, taking its time. Okay. Bull master. All right, JXN, buy signal here, right? Continuing to move higher every single day. This stock here moves higher. JXN, really good price action there. And HCC, all right, buy signal here, bit of a pullback. Let's take a look at this. It's really rejecting, what is that, energy? All right. We'll leave it for now. We've got support here. Previous resistance is support right here. So Let's see if it holds that support. We could get a bounce back, break resistance. Okay, but energy hasn't been as strong last week and this week, so keep an eye on it there. Okay. All right. Let's take a quick look at Stock Boss. All right, 59, so it dropped a bit. Let's see. ORGN is there already. Energy pump. Pump is holding. Let's see, pump. All right, we're going to hold off. Bullmaster. We'll probably launch the new system, stock system, next week. Again, we're going to add fundamentals, all right? Let's see here. So technical analysis and fundamental basic materials here. All right, let's see here. They're definitely buying again. How many did we have? Let's see here. 90 in Bullmaster. That's a lot, guys. Let's take a look at technology sector here. Where's tech? All right, no buy signal there. Hold on. That's utilities, biotech. All right. We'll wait perhaps next week, see how the market finishes. Okay, monster scalper. All right, let's see here. All right, New Zealand dollar. We're in that one. New Zealand Swiss. New Zealand Swiss. So we've got New Zealand CAD, New Zealand dollar, and the 240 Let's add New Zealand Swiss. All right. We've got resistance right here, guys. Okay. And if you look here, I know it's testing that resistance right now, but there seems to be a move trying to happen here with the New Zealand pairs, the Kiwi pairs. Okay. So buy signal is here. It did have its pullback, right? But it's sitting right here at resistance. Okay. And New Zealand dollar, all right. I'm just holding there, wants to break out. All right. New Zealand CAD right here, buy signal here, wants to break out here. We've got higher lows there. And then New Zealand yen, we got a buy signal today on New Zealand yen, right? Buy signal right here. All right. And we have resistance right here. So, and New Zealand pair. So we're looking for a breakout, guys. Look here. All right. Here's resistance. We can count this. And then here we are right here. Buy signal came in right here today. So there is a move happening in here with the Kiwi pair. So we're going to add New Zealand Swiss. All right. So we've got New Zealand CAD, New Zealand dollar, New Zealand yen, and New Zealand Swiss here. All right. All right. Right here. New Zealand Swiss. All it needs to do is break out. All right. If it fails, guys, if it fails, it's going to fail right in here. Okay. So if it fails in here, take that small loss. Okay. It might do something like this here. Okay. So, but if it breaks out, that'd be great. USD CHF. Long in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. And then the yen pairs, the 60 minutes doing well. Let's see if we can find anything on the 240. ZAR yen, just hold ZAR yen. Dollar yen, wait for a buy signal. Okay. Nothing here. All right. SGD JPY, just holding. All right. So keep an eye on these yen pairs on the 240 to give buy signals soon, guys. All right. And then you can always switch your 60 minute, right? Buy to the 240. Okay. New Zealand yen is a good example. HKD JPY buy signal should come in soon. All right. Keep always just wait. Pound yen buy signal should come in soon on the 240. Euro yen, same thing. Swiss yen, same thing. So they're all setting up to give buy signals soon. These are high buy signals, but doesn't matter. They can go higher. CAD yen also, and Aussie yen. So the yen pairs 240 setting up. Okay, if you're in those on the 60 minute, you can roll those into the 240. Okay. All right, nothing here. All right. Quick look at Forex Dominator. All right, Forex Dominator, and then I'll let you guys go. We'll have a short evening tonight. All right, CAD, Aussie CAD. Not a lot of volatility here in our Forex Dominator. Okay, we don't have any trades in Forex Dominator here, so that's right. That's not a lot of volatility there. Okay, so it has to be perfect. right, we're going to get back in pound yen. So pound yen long. All right. Right. This was that volatility that came in last week. Okay, we closed that trade, but buyers are coming back in here. So buy signal here. Hold on. Hold on before we do that. Hold on. Pound yen big picture. Where are we there? All right. So still right at that resistance here. Okay. So big candle here. Okay. So pound yen, we're going to call that to get back in. Now, if it gives I would say a white candle, get out. No, this is on the daily time frame, Forex dominator. Okay. So, and they're moving, the yen pairs are moving on the 62. All right. So CAD yen, we'll call CAD yen. All right. Monster and Forex dominator. So CAD yen, CAD, JPY. All right. Forex dominator. Long. All right. Swiss yen. We'll hold off on that one. Euro yen. Euro yen looks good. Okay. JPY, Forex dominator, long. Just a few. Pound yen, definitely. Pound yen. All right. Remember, we got out here. All right. So, pound yen, Forex dominator, long. All right. This is not typical, but we had a lot of volatility last week. HKD, JPY. Forex dominator, long. Let's see here. SGD, JPY, Forex dominator, long. All right. And we'll hold on to that. ZAR yen, look at ZAR yen, guys. Never really pull back. All right. Buy signal here. Great trade going here. All right, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Okay. Those of you trading on the 60-minute time frame, pay attention to those trades. That's a smaller time frame rather than the 240. Okay. So just pay attention to those trades. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Okay. Thanks for coming. Have a good evening. Take care. Bye-bye.